Alright, hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna hopefully finish this budget app. So if you haven't watched the part 1, I will link the part 1 in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. But this is what we get so far in our budget. So all we're gonna do today is just to implement this function. Alright, so let's see. Alright, percentage spent per category. Right? How about this? I'm just gonna take a look what's gonna happen. What are they gonna print out here? And since I already passed all the other tests, so let's see. Oh, this is how it actually got wrapped. Okay, so it's basically, let me take a look. So create spend chart. Okay, food closing auto. All right, let's go ahead and read the readme again. Markdown budget. All right, so take a list of create a bar chart. The chart should show the percentage. Okay. Up to 4 categories. Okay. All right. Percentage spend per category. Ooh, okay. So now we need to figure out how can we get the percentage, which assume not gonna be easy. They don't have to necessarily add up to 100 for some reason. 60 plus 20 plus 10, that's 90%. I don't know if it's their mistake or I did some basic math wrong, but okay. So basically what I want to do is I want to print out line by line, right? 100, 90, 80, 70. But the point is I need to figure out what's the percentage spent. All right, so we'll loop through 10. So we'll loop through 11 times. All right, loop through 11 times, and in here we'll say result equals to a string, and obviously by default we're just gonna say result plus equals, gonna do I multiplied by 10 because I is gonna be 0 to 10 inclusive on both sides, and to multiply by 10 it will change it to a percentage, right? Yeah. All right, and then we can sternify it. I can just invent my own word there if that's not already a word. All right. So now what we need to do is we need to, again, start to set the percentage. But how do we know the percentage? Let's take a look. Should we calculate only withdrawal, not deposit? Oh, shoot. Spent by category. All right, so that means we will need to figure out the withdrawal. So we need to find the sum of all withdrawal amount and add them up together. Let's see if there's a function implemented. Okay, I'm gonna create a helper function then for this task. Get withdrawal amount. So it's basically gonna get, the withdrawal amount. And how are we gonna do that? Well, for t in self.ledger, t dot if t bracket. What do I want to do? T bracket. Oh, we can say if t bracket amount is less than 0, which means it's a negative, and then we're gonna say amount equals 0. Amount plus equals t bracket amount, and return amount. That should get all the withdrawal amount, right? So in here, what we can do is this. We have a category, so we can you need to eventually run a nested loop. But this, I'm just gonna say percentage. So total withdrawal is gonna be so you want to get total withdrawal amount, so we can say total withdrawal equals 0. I can loop 0 for C in categories. Total withdrawal equals 0 by default. Total withdrawal plus equals C bracket amount. No, wait, no. C dot get withdrawal amount. Good. I'm do this real quick. Good. So that's gonna get the total withdrawal amount that we're gonna have, and here we can calculate the percentage. So we can say percentages equals that, right? Create an empty line here for readability purpose, and here we can say for seeing category again. Gonna say percentage equals, we're gonna do integer division. Round, what round did it say? Nearest 10. Round to nearest tens Python. Let's how we do that. I always use search out when you do roundings. I don't like rounding. Okay. C dot. Okay, so I know it's going to be some sort of division, so it's total withdrawal divided by C dot get withdrawal amount. I'm going to wait for it to load. So okay. I should multiply by 100. What? I don't get it. Alright, well that's rounding, so we need to take care of that preferably right now. Round to tens. No, it didn't round to tens. Okay, how do you use percentage? Show me the documentation. Okay, well, Oh, round to nearest 10, not tens. 10, nearest 10. Okay, round number divided by 2 multiplied by 10. I'm going to trust you, it works. So, Command V pasted that right there. Now we cut this part. Now we put that part here. Delete. Okay, please load. Thank you. I really want to complete this project today, or in this video. Alright, that will give us a percentage. And then it's a percentages that append. Actually, it would be good if it's part of the class. Calc percentage withdrawal self and the withdrawal and the total. I should say that. No, back total. Perfect. Just do this. Paste it right there. Okay. There we go. All right. So that's that. Now I don't need to do this anymore because there's no point. I don't need a pen anymore. Stop. I don't want to explain code. Okay. So in here we need to check this. And then here's what we need to do. So we need to add the spaces nonetheless. See, sometimes I think this is really tedious because you can use, a graph chart to graph these, but you have to use Python to print these out. But I mean, it does practice your skills, so I'm not saying that's not that good, but still. All right. So here we're gonna say if I times 10, that's less than 100. We're gonna say result plus equals stir I times 10 plus this vertical bar else do this. Cool. All right. Actually, also we need to add a space first. Actually, no. I'm gonna add an else if. If I equals 0, then result will be plus equal. I guess I can literally just write it. This, I guess I can do the same thing to 100, but all right. So now in here we'll need to do this. To find the percentage. Right? So here I can say for C in category, if C dot withdraw amount actually we're gonna say C dot calc percentages withdraw total. Do we put total inside? I literally forgot how to find it. You know what? Yeah, I think it's total withdrawal. Okay, if c.calc whatever is equals to I times 10, then we're gonna have a problem. Because the distance is also the hard one to grasp. So we print A, and then print O, and then print another. Okay, categories. I don't even know how to say it. Categories. Okay, perfect. Ooh. Okay. Now I don't want to print it. I want to say result. Alright, I just want to do a quick check, see how it works. See what will actually get printed. Yeah, it doesn't help. So what I need to do, oh sure, I forgot to return it. That's right. Because I was wondering why I didn't see anything, because I forgot to return the result. Stupid me. Alright, let's run again. See what we get. Okay, now this is completely wrong. Oh, wait. No, it starts at 0, right? No, it shouldn't start at 0. It should start at 100. I am so confused right now. I'm gonna try using shell to run this. Okay, get over dialogue. Just gone, leave. Okay. Alright, that makes more sense. That makes more sense. However, didn't have enough spaces. No, actually, if I times 10 equals, then don't bother doing. Okay, now perfect. That's aligned. Alright. Alright. So, let's take a look at read me again. Okay, so that's lined up. All right. So we need to do this. Stupid, make it just do less than equals. So I want to do it. I want to also add it if it's less than. Oh my god. What's happening? See that calc percentage withdrawal. Now it should give you a percent. Okay, logically I think it makes sense. But for some reason they colored everything. Okay, I am so confused right now. What's happening? So I'm just gonna. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna. Oh my god. Okay. Now, I want to see what's FreeCodeCamp. Okay, so now I need to find the total price, right? So percentage part is not working out for some reason. I'm not sure why. Okay. Into okay, no, we cannot do this. I have to multiply by -1. I'm not sure if that's a reason. Alright, run it. See what we get. Even worse. We have not everything colored. Wow. Okay. Alright, it's alright. Let's try again. We have everything colored. Now it's not right, and we need to figure out why it's not working. And apparently right now I'm not figuring out why. But isn't that just a huge part what programming is? Alright, we're gonna import these two functions just in case I need to use them. I'm not sure I'm gonna need to use this, but whatever. Copy, paste. Alright. Did I use total and then divide by it? I did using the actual cost first, right? Oh shoot, I'm so bad at math. Why did I do this? Probably some of you already seen the video and say, no, please don't do it. When I did it, that's not going to give you the percentage. Alright. Let's try again. Run. Still not working. Perfect. This thing really hurt my brain so much. Alright. I just want to import these. Please tell me it's okay to do it. Perfect. Alright, now let me find the total cost first. So, only copy this part. No, wait. Yeah. Alright. Alright, create spending chart categories. Actually, no. Create spending chart. No, I'm Benjamin.py. Alright, I'm gonna copy this. I probably cannot finish in this video. This function is taking much longer than I thought. Okay, good. So that I think it actually gave me the total withdrawal. So now what's happening is either calc, what did I call the function? Calc percent withdrawal or something? Calc. Okay, yeah. Okay, I need a total, which is this. It gave me 0. Why would it give me 0? Get withdraw amount. Okay, you have to multiply by -1 first, and then divide by total, and then divide by that. Let's press run again. Yeah, of course it's not working. Why would it work? Alright. However, yeah, turning up everything. You need to put in the script. Alright. Main.py, let's go. I just want to figure out that the O is working. That's all I want to do in this video then. Since nothing else will cooperate with me. Alright. Now that's 115. So if I say food.calc something, if I say 100, shouldn't give me 0. Should never give me 0. Dot get withdraw amount. That's -70. What? Okay, in a way, that makes sense. But why would... Unless there's something wrong with the rounding. Okay, round 76, or negative 76, times negative 1, divided by 100, divided by 10, times 10. Okay, so that will give me what I want. But then I need to multiply by 100. So shouldn't divide it by 100, but multiply it by 100. Okay, multiply by 100. Okay, let's see, round 0.76 times 100 divided by 10 times 10. 80. Round 0. Whatever that is, times 100 divided by 10 times 10, that's also 80. Okay, I think now... Okay, well now I got some variation. Not what I want though. Never. That's not what I want. If that's anything I want, that's not what I want. Okay, I'm gonna put them in a test script. Because I always say I want to do that, but I never do that. Alright. So now I want to print out food.getWithdraw amount. Print food.calc. Withdraw percentage. Oh my god, what's the function called? I am so annoyed right now. Yeah, sometimes it's really annoying. Oh my god, up. Okay. Alright. No, that's the wrong file. So the calc percentage withdraw. I'm just gonna put a dummy number here for now, because you never know. Alright, we're gonna go back to shell. Gonna exit out of this terminal, or this Python 3 shell. And here I just wanna, I don't wanna go into another one. Alright. %70. Well, now problem is, why did it not print out 70%? Right, it says 70% there, but it's actually not really 70%. Yeah, I'm confused why this function is not working. gonna run main.py here. Yeah. Why it's not working? Like, what? It's... What? What is it even doing here? Okay, I'm just gonna say if it's equals, print this out. I am so confused right now. Okay, equals. Okay, that's correct. 70, 60, 10. Probably I should do it reversely. Okay. Alright, let's try run again and see what we get. Oh, okay. It looks like I just had to run a statement. I try to figure out 20 minutes. But sometimes it is what it is, right? It is what it is. And now look. Looks like it's working now. It's formatted properly, at least from here. Okay. Let's see. I think we'll just work on like 5 more minutes. See how far we get. Alright. Alright, so now we need to print everything out. So we need to calculate how many lines do we want to print. So I want to print 3 lines per item. 3, 9, 12, 13. So what we can do, yeah. There's 3, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so it's the number of category. My brain doesn't work. Alright. Okay, now we find that. So in here, we can say find number of lines, which is result plus equals in range of, so it's a length of categories plus 1, or it's times 3 and then plus 1. Perfect. Done. Dot join by nothing. Okay, and you add 4 spaces, so. Alright. Oh my god, what's happening here? What's wrong with you? This comprehension work. Okay, now it's working. Clear. Let's try running again. Okay, oh shoot, I always forget this. Python does it a little bit differently. This, that, done. The rest shouldn't be that hard. It's just pronounce, the name. Actually, it's pretty hard. Okay, good. Now we have all of that decided. Okay, why don't we get started on deciding, at least deciding what algorithm are we going to use to get this out. So we want to loop through the longest one. We want to choose to loop through the longest one so we can add everything properly. So I can say greatest name length. So I can say equals, I don't know, equals 0 by default. Here we can say they call it that category, yeah. Alright, perfect. Get that done. Now, I just need to loop through. Actually, there needs to be one more space here. Alright, so here I can say for I in range of greatest name list. I less than proceed in categories if I less than c dot length c dot category. If I less than that, then I want to do something. I want to do this. We just want to say result plus equals plus what? Plus c dot category brackets I plus another space. Okay. I want to print out backslash n. Actually, before I do that, I probably add another space here. Alright. I have no clue it's gonna look. Either looks amazing or looks disgusting. And it looks disgusting. What is happening here? Oh shoot, this should be... No. This shouldn't be indented. Okay, so what's happening here is not printed out horizontally. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do this in separate part of video. I'm just comment these part out because it doesn't work. Never mind. I will figure out. But unfortunately, we're unable to finish this challenge. Hopefully, we can finish it in the next video. But yeah, thank you all for watching.